Aray ko. Good. One to hook. One to hook. Upper sa tiyan. Go. Bang, bang, bang. Ah. One more. Bang, bang, bang. Go.
So this 2026, I decided to hire a coach. I wanted to really push on my boxing, really push on that untapped potential. A lot of people have been saying in the comments. So I decided to get a trainer. I finally got my finances in check, and I'm just gonna take you all throughout the experiences. I might do this in 3 parts per week. I'm gonna document everything and see where we're at. So here's the tail of the tape. Bam, 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 bam.
The OPBF Super Flyweight Champion and still undefeated, Kennedy KJ
This is my coach, former WBC champion, and this is how he's gonna teach me. Look at the highlights. Just a quick introduction on who my coach is, and not just any boxing trainer out there who is gonna teach me how to hit the pads. He's really gonna teach me a lot of stuff. Here he is now. There you go, just slightly warming up. I don't really do a lot of running, but since he's my coach, I'm gonna start running now. Of course, stretching, gotta warm the body. Really, really nice so we don't get any cramps. A bit of shadow boxing. He always teaches me to use that jab quick as possible. Here I am with the resistance bands to really improve my speed. I'm not sure if you could see it, but to me, I feel like so right now, coach is teaching me to distribute my weight. He's not just teaching me how to punch. He's teaching all the technicalities of it. Got a lot of gold nuggets, especially with positioning, placing, all the footwork. Basically, fighting IQ. Not just punching, not just moving around the ring, but how the technicalities work. It's not just any other boxing workout where you hit the bags, you do shadow boxing, you jump rope. I mean, just look at the attention I'm getting right here. This is what I'm paying for. This is what a coach is for. To look at minor adjustments to do to what you have already and see right then and there he knows what to adjust. See? See? Yep. Yep. And just nodding. This is what a coach is for, to look at your bad habits, to tell you what to do, to tell you what you should do properly. Keep your hands up. Yes. See, he's really taking me into like an actual fight through his eyes of experience. This is him teaching me when an opponent is next to you, what are you gonna do if he's walking you down? Basically all those yellow lines teaching me to be like in the ring. This is how it feels like. Look at the pressure. And he's actually surprised. He knows I know how to how to cut my opponent already. Something that I've learned before. It's good that someone sees what you do. And here we are now, trying to put on the headgear because this is gonna be our first pairing session. And I don't know what to feel before, but this was a really fun experience. Just gonna take you through and let you watch all of it.
Yeah, stretch at yan. Pagka-counter yan. Go. Diba? Good.
Ina, nakakatakot yun ah.
Go. Straight. Nice.
Nice. Ah! Putang ina. Ah! Shit! 1 round pa lang yun. Ah! Ah! Nakaka-pressure. Ah!
Yung mga ini-execute mo lang. Pag nagsuntok siya, ito, execute mo yung defense. Pag na-open, boom! Isa, wala. Kasi the more magte-tense ka, the more gigil ka, the more yung stamina na mawawala sa'yo. At the same time, hindi ka maka-perform. Wala. Kung matatamaan, matatamaan.
Oh.
Normal yun. Sa sparring, normal yun sa laban. Yung, ang importante dyan, yung ma-execute mo yung gusto mong gawin.
Ah, ah.
Nice. Yeah, di ba? May counter. Tandaan mo yung mga counter. Tandaan mo yun.
Sorry, coach.
Sige lang, okay lang.
Tumama ba?
Pressure fighting naman.
Ay! 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 Ay!
Sige. Normal yan. Kaya natin yan. Ikaw mga lang, naka-full gear tayo eh. Yan. Importante ikaw, makadepensa. So, makikita mo yung mga suntok.
Ganda!
Second round.
Ah!
Nice.
Coach, pwede pa yung 1 round. Ah! Ah! Putang ina, masarap pala huminga. Ah! Ah! Actually, akala ko hindi ako makakonect sa'yo.
Nasa yung isip natin, yan yung nagko-control kung asa, kumbaga, ito gusto kong gawin. Ang problema lang, hindi mo gagawin kasi natatakot ka.
Kaya
Gawin mo
parang
pa.
naisip ko, teka, bibigyan ko isa si coach kasi parang nakikita ko eh.
Gawin mo. Wala problema, naka-full gear naman tayo eh. Pag na-intimidate ka na gawin yun, mahahabit mo yun.
Aha, parehas kayo nag-step in sa ring, so willing kayong masaktan, parang gano'n.
Siyempre, sa boxing is to hit and not to be hit. Yun yung laban mo. Yung lang ginagawa natin ngayon is for more on learning lang. Hindi natin may iwasan yung mga may matatamaan ka talaga, matatamaan, may mga tendency na may mga suntok na hindi nakita. Normal yun. Kasi na-learn nyo ito eh. Buti nga nakita mo ngayon sa training. Paano pag doon na sa laban? Di mo nakita,
Tama.
Hindi ko nakita yung coach. Bagsak ka.
Tsaka parang nung una nakikita ko, teka, medyo parang range yung laban ah.
Oo.
Tapos nakita mo parang hinihingan lang ako ng konti, so parang teka, adjustment. Pumapasok siya, parang birahan, nakikita ko na yung bilog eh.
Oo.
Ano, try mo!
Makakita mo naman. Makakita mo. Diyan mo ma-analyze.
Actually, coach, sa akin, lalo nung na-feel ko, parang ang feeling ko, kaya ko ngayon.
Oo.
Kasi magkaadala tayo eh. Pero ang hindi ko pa na-feel pagka sa ibang tao.
Hindi naman tayo dumadirect nun. Kaya lagi natin sasanayin natin, ubusin muna natin isang buwan mo na ganito hanggang sa magkaroon ka ng confident na kaya mo na.
Oo.
Kasi as long as nakikita ko na ready ka na, really goods. Good on.
Push! 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 Woo! Sarap! Lagi parang nafe-feel ko parang nagko-connect talaga ako sa'yo.
Ano mo lang, kunin mo yung rhythm at the same time kunin mo yung confident mo, hanapin mo yung confident mo doon na hindi ka matatakot magbato ng suntok. Kahit sino yan, kahit trainer mo, kahit ano. Basta nagte-training ka, nagla-learn ka. Huwag mong sanayin na pigilan yung mga suntok kasi basta training tayo. Pag dating sa laban, madadala mo yun.
Pero coach, pangalawang ano ko pa lang to pangalawang sparring ko pa lang sa buong buhay. Kamusta naman?
Sa ngayon, okay. May mga adjustment na kailangan talaga tayong gawin. Number 1, yung suntok mo na careless. Suntok mo, okay sa'yo makabato. Wala ka sa isip mo makadepensa.
Okay.
Bato ka lang na bato. Kaya sabi ko, pag na-counteran dito, try na ko nag-counteran ka, nakita ko, nag-counteran ka. Kung ikaw mag-i-execute, kung execute ka, wala sa isip mo yung defense eh, pag nag-execute ka. Dapat pag nag-execute ka, kailangan nandun yung yung option na in case na hindi tumama, may depensa ba ako? In case na maslipan niya, may depensa ba ako? So, kailangan lagi mo natandaan yun na ganun. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng suntok mo tumatama, di ba? In case na mag-forward ako kasi natamaan ko, ito, po-forward ko. Paano pag,
Ano next?
oh, anong next? Yun dapat sabi ko sa'yo, always ready ka, always ready ka. Possible na mangyayari. Kasi kahit nanalo ka sa 1 round, 2 rounds, 3 rounds, isang round lang sa kanya, tapos nabagsak ka pa,
Hindi mo
paano
alam
ka
ako.
pa?
Tama.
Di ba?
Pero coach, pagka kunwaring ganito, kailangan ko ba mag-worry about control? O itatap lang kita kasi lights
Kailangan
para lang.
execute mo talaga yung suntok. No, hindi ko man sinabi na lakasan mo. Execute mo yung suntok na tumatama, 'di ba? Nasa ako kasi ako nagre-ready naman ako lahat ng mga suntok mo na tinitingnan ko naman. So far may pumapasok na malakas, okay lang yun, normal yun kasi hindi naman lahat nakokontrol mo lahat, 'di ba?
Aha.
Yan. Hanggang sa masanay ka na makontrol mo na sa partner play at saka sa fighting na talaga. So, southpaw.
Go.
Yeah, southpaw eh. Nice. Nice.
Uy! Muntik mo knockdown.
Hindi mo natulak yun dyan.
Rep, dulas lang rep.
Dulas. Wala ka sa balance. Natulak lang yan dyan.
Oo.
Wala.
Tangina, di pwede matawa sa laban.
Bawal yun. Tulak lang yun ah. Ah. Nice. Sa.
Push!
Ah.
Push!
Sa.
Push! 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 Push!
Ah.
Push! 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 Push!
Nice. Adi.
Push!
Nice. Tulak mo yung mata sa mukha. Tulak mo yung mukha. Yan. Hindi, tulak mo yung jab sa mukha. Straight sa tan. Pag nakadepensa, yan. Pag nakadepensa, oh. Gaganan yung mukha. Nice. Nice.
Ha!
Bag, 1, 2. 1. Bag, 1, 2 hook. Bag. Bag, up. Nice, quick. Nice one. Quick. Bag, 1, 2. 1. Bag, 1, 2 hook. Bang. Again, 1, 2 hook. Bang. Nice one. Good. 1, 2 hook. Bag, hook. Then upper sa chan. Go, 1, 2 hook. Bang. Bang. Nice one. Go, 1, 2 hook. Bang. Upper sa chan. Go. Ha. Bang. Nice one. Okay, jab. Bang. Nice one. Again. Ha. Again. Ha. 1, 2 again. Bang. Nice one. Jab sa chan. Tapos backward. 1, 2. Go. Yan. Go. Bang. Bang. Again. Go. Ha. Bang. Nice. Again. Go. Bang. Nice. Again. Bang. Nice. Job. Bang. Quick. Na, every punch quick. 1, 2 hook. Bang. Yan. Quick. Go. Bang. Nice. Go. Bang. Upper hook straight. Bang. Again. Go. Bang. Again. Bang. Again. Nice one. Job. Good. 1, 2 hook. 1, 2 hook. Upper sa chan. Go. Bang. One more. Bang. Good.
Pag-coach po na ako, parang pwedeng isang round. Ang dami ko nang naibuhos sa sparring.
Di ba lang, grabe, ano lang yun light lang yun
Para sa'yo. Aray ko. Ah. 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 Bakit masaya para sa'yo?
Ito, Bit, pag natalo kita, dagdag isa.
Matatalo mo na ako. Alam mo, hindi ko kaya. Putang ina, baka pag buwelo ko, sumuwa ako eh. Aray ka. Aray ka.
Lahi, talo ko, talo. 5 rounds, talo. Ang maganda talaga pag may kasama ka mag-sprint kasi nasusubukan mo yun. Ngayon, talo kita 5. Sa sunod kayo, talunin mo ko 5.
Ang ina. Pang pelikula yun, pang Rocky yun ah.
Oo. Kailangan yun. Last na, may pa tayo. May abs.
Fuck. Normal ba na natutuyo yung bibig ko?
Hindi ko pa nainom. Kaya yan,
Testing.
ready. 1, 2, up, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wala ba? 15 yan.
Teka.
15 yan. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good.
Aray.
Go. 1, 2, 3. Huwag
Ah,
Parang may daya nangyayari dito
Teka coach, masakit talaga. Nangangalay, aray. Saglit lang.
hindi yata yung ano yung positioning mo
Oo, teka. Bakit ganun kasakit? Plank na lang ako coach. Good. 10 seconds.
Sipag at saka magaling at Pino. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time out. Nice. Good.